Hello guys. So in the previous section, we built out the runnable that this reason node is going to depend on. In this section, let's actually go out and build these nodes. Okay. So you can see that I've already gone ahead and I've created this file called nodes.py, and we have the reason node as well as the act node right here. So let me take you through it step by step. So right here, you can see that we are going to use the React agent runnable that we wrote in the previous section. And all that we are going to do is we are going to invoke on it using the agent state. Okay. So all the values, these things that we see right here, these are reserved keywords, and this runnable is going to know exactly what to do with those particular names. So don't change anything. So you will have to follow the exact input agent underscore outcome intermediate steps. Okay, everything's got to be perfect. And now this runnable is going to look at the state. It's going to take all of the properties, merge it with the React prompt, and then it's going to do all of that magic, including calling that LLM and then parsing the output of the LLM and then having that particular agent outcome. If you remember what is going to be the agent outcome, this thing is going to return the agent action class or the agent finish class, right? So here we are going to update the agent outcome, right? So right here we have the agent outcome that is going to be an agent action or the finish. So as soon as this node is executed, it is either going to have agent action or agent finish. Only during the first initial instance it is going to be none, but after that it is always going to be action or finish. All right. So let's come back to the graph. So now let's assume that it is going to be agent action. Now it is going to come to the act node, right? So act node, we are going to again basically extract what is that agent action that needs to be done. And now we've written the tool executor here as well, right? So here we are providing the tools and we have the tool executor. All that we're doing is we're invoking that, we are providing that agent action. And then whatever output that we're getting, we are going to be appending it to the intermediate steps. Okay, so if you remember, the intermediate steps is going to be a list of tuples. Each tuple in the first part, it is going to have that agent action or the agent finish. And again, it is going to have the output of that particular tool execution, right? So in this case, the output is going to be here. We are stringifying it and then we are putting it here. And whatever we return here in this array, in this list, it is going to be merged with the existing intermediate steps list. Why is that? That is because if you come back to the state, we are using the operator .add. Okay. So now I hope that you see that everything is coming together, right? Perfect. So now we have the reason node as well as the act node. So the next step is going to be very simple and fun, to be honest, because all that we're going to be doing is putting it all together in a graph and drawing these edges and then running it. So we will build out the graph in the next section. So I'll see you there.